Picture a quiet morning in Harmony Creek, population 3,000. The local bakery bakes perhaps 300 loaves of fresh bread. Each one kneaded with care, baked with familiar aroma, a staple for families and neighbors. This simple act of baking, replicated across countless small towns, forms the bedrock of our culinary lives. But what happens when the scale isn't measured in hundreds, but in hundreds of thousands? What does it take to feed an entire nation, day after day, with that same essential food? Miles away, nestled in a sprawling industrial complex, stands Evergrain Bakeries, America's largest. Here, the rhythm of production isn't a gentle hum, but a symphony of steel and grain, steam and precision. Every 24 hours, Evergrain produces a staggering 1.5 million loaves of bread. That's a volume that could sustain Harmony Creek for over a year and a half, all from a single facility. It's a logistical marvel, a testament to human ingenuity applied to one of humanity's oldest foods. Since ancient times, bread has been more than just food, it's a symbol of sustenance, community, and comfort. From the simplest flatbreads to elaborate sourdoughs, it grounds us. Evergrain understands this intrinsic value. Their mission isn't just about volume, but about consistently delivering that promise of fresh, wholesome bread to millions of homes, schools, and restaurants across the continent. It's a profound responsibility, carried out with relentless efficiency and an unwavering commitment to quality. Long before dawn breaks, while most of the country is still asleep, Evergrain Bakeries springs to life. The first shift workers arrive under the glow of the massive facility's lights. Forklifts hum, conveyor belts begin their slow, deliberate churn, and the air starts to fill with the subtle, sweet scent of yeast activating. This orchestrated awakening is crucial. Every minute is accounted for, every process calibrated, because the demands of the day are immense, and millions are waiting for their bread. The journey of an Evergrain loaf begins not on the bakery floor, but in the vast wheat fields stretching across the American heartland. Each week, Evergrain processes over 2,500 tons of high-protein flour, enough to fill 80 tractor-trailers. This flour, along with thousands of gallons of purified water, metric tons of yeast, and precisely measured salt and sugar, are the fundamental building blocks. Sourcing these quantities requires meticulous planning and strong relationships with agricultural suppliers, ensuring a consistent, high-quality input. Upon arrival, the flour is pneumatically transferred into towering stainless steel silos, each capable of holding hundreds of tons. These colossal structures are the lungs of the bakery, breathing in raw materials and preparing them for their transformation. From these silos, a sophisticated network of pipes and sensors precisely dispenses the flour into vast mixing bowls. It's an environment where the sheer scale is almost incomprehensible, yet every granule is tracked and every measurement is exact, managed by a central control system. In the mixing bay, giant steel arms churn and fold, transforming the dry flour and liquids into a smooth, elastic dough. These mixers, some capable of handling a ton of dough at a time, operate with a mesmerizing, balletic precision. Sensors monitor temperature, consistency, and hydration levels, adjusting in real time. This is where Dr. Anya Sharma, Evergrain's lead food scientist, spends much of her time. Her team ensures that every batch meets the exacting standards that guarantee the signature texture and flavor of Evergrain bread. Even amidst this high-tech marvel, the human element remains vital. Ilara Vance, a master baker with over 30 years of experience, is one of Evergrain's guardians of tradition. She may not be kneading every loaf, but her expertise is irreplaceable. Ilara conducts daily dough checks, feeling its elasticity, smelling its rising aroma, a sensory evaluation that no machine can truly replicate. She's looking for subtle nuances, ensuring that the consistency matches the meticulous recipes developed over decades. Her touch is the bridge between art and science. The mixers at Evergrain dwarf anything found in a conventional bakery. They cycle continuously, ensuring a steady stream of perfectly prepared dough. This isn't just about speed, it's about maintaining an unbroken flow that allows the entire production line to operate without interruption. Each mixer is a self-contained unit, meticulously cleaned and maintained, ensuring no cross-contamination and optimal hygiene. The sheer kinetic energy generated by these machines is immense, a testament to the power required to produce on such an unparalleled scale. Once mixed, the dough moves into the proofing chambers, colossal, climate-controlled environments where temperature and humidity are precisely regulated. Here, the yeast truly comes to life, fermenting and causing the dough to double in size. This critical step, often taking several hours, is meticulously controlled. Any deviation in temperature or humidity can drastically alter the final product, affecting texture, volume, and flavor. It's a delicate balance, perfectly managed by advanced environmental systems, preparing the dough for its transformation into a loaf. In her pristine laboratory adjacent to the production floor, Dr. Anya Sharma and her team tirelessly work to uphold Evergraine's rigorous standards. They conduct dozens of tests hourly, checking flour protein content, dough pH levels, and even taste testing baked samples. Her work extends beyond quality control to innovation, experimenting with new grain blends or perfecting recipes for future products. It's a blend of cutting-edge science and culinary artistry, ensuring that every loaf delivered is not just consistent, but also represents the best possible product. The scale of Evergraine's operation is often best understood through its sheer statistics. These numbers aren't just impressive, they represent the daily effort to feed a vast population, the logistical precision, and the significant resource consumption required. Every metric is critical, from raw ingredient intake to energy expenditure, all contributing to the final daily output. It's a constant balancing act, optimized through data analysis and continuous improvement to maintain efficiency without compromising quality. After proofing, the massive slabs of dough are gently fed into automated dividers and rounders. These machines, working with incredible speed and accuracy, portion the dough into individual loaf sizes. The rounded dough pieces then travel along conveyor belts, resting briefly before entering the final molding machines. Here, they are precisely shaped into the familiar forms of sandwich bread, rolls, or specialty loaves. It's a mesmerizing process, where raw dough transforms into perfectly uniform, ready-to-bake products. The shaped dough then enters the colossal industrial ovens. These aren't small, brick-lined ovens, but massive, multi-deck tunnel ovens, stretching for hundreds of feet. Temperatures reach over 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the dough travels slowly through different heating zones, ensuring an even bake, a golden crust, and a perfectly cooked interior. The intense heat, combined with steam injection, creates the ideal environment for the bread to achieve its full potential. The aroma here is intoxicating, the true scent of baking on a grand scale. Once baked, the loaves emerge, fragrant and perfectly golden, onto another vast network of conveyor belts. These belts snake through the facility, carrying the hot bread on a journey of several miles. This extensive system is designed not just for transport, but for cooling. The bread needs to gradually cool to an optimal temperature before slicing and packaging. Rushing this process would lead to condensation, affecting texture and shelf life. It's a carefully choreographed dance of temperature control and continuous movement. The cooling process is meticulously managed, often involving spiraling towers that allow gravity and controlled airflow to naturally bring down the bread's temperature. Once cooled, the loaves enter the slicers, incredibly fast machines with rotating blades that deliver perfectly even slices, hundreds per minute. Precision here is paramount. Every slice must be consistent to fit standard sandwich preparation and minimize waste. It's a blur of motion, yet each loaf emerges flawlessly prepared for its final stage. From the slicers, the bread moves directly into the packaging area. Here, automated systems swiftly wrap and seal each loaf, ensuring freshness and hygiene. Different lines handle various products, from standard sandwich loaves to dinner rolls and specialty breads. The packaging machines are remarkably versatile, quickly switching between product sizes and designs. This final step is crucial for protecting the bread from external elements and ensuring it arrives at stores in pristine condition, ready for consumers. The moment the bread is packaged, the clock starts ticking, and the immense challenge of distribution falls to David Chen, Evergraine's head of logistics. Moving 1.5 million loaves across hundreds of miles, daily, is a logistical puzzle of epic proportions. His team coordinates a fleet of over 300 refrigerated trucks, ensuring each vehicle is loaded efficiently and dispatched on precise schedules to reach thousands of retail locations. It's a race against time, where every second counts to deliver freshness. Outside the loading docks, an armada of Evergreen's distinctive white and blue trucks stands ready. Drivers check their routes, perform pre-trip inspections, and prepare for long journeys. These trucks are specially designed to maintain optimal conditions for bread, preventing crushing or spoilage. Each driver is a crucial link in the chain, responsible for safely and punctually delivering the day's production. Their dedication ensures that, even in challenging weather or traffic, the bread arrives fresh. As the first rays of sunlight touch the horizon, the loading bays become a hive of activity. Forklifts dart in and out, transporting pallets of freshly baked and packaged bread onto the waiting trucks. The process is a highly coordinated ballet of machines and human effort, designed to maximize throughput while minimizing errors. Each truck has a specific manifest, a detailed list of products and destinations, ensuring that every store receives exactly what it needs before opening for business. It's a high-stakes, high-speed operation. The distribution network of Evergreen Bakeries is a complex web, spanning multiple states and thousands of miles. It's not simply about getting bread from point A to point B, but optimizing routes for fuel efficiency, timely delivery, and adapting to unforeseen circumstances. From bustling city centers to remote rural communities, Evergreen trucks are a familiar sight, a mobile testament to the bakery's reach. This intricate dance of routes and schedules is the backbone of their ability to serve such a vast market. In the Logistics Command Center, David Chen's team monitors every truck in real time, using advanced GPS and telematics systems. This data isn't just for tracking, it's used to analyze traffic patterns, predict delivery times, and even proactively reroute trucks in case of unexpected delays. Every piece of bread arriving fresh on a store shelf is a victory for this data-driven approach. It allows Evergreen to respond dynamically to challenges, ensuring that their promise of freshness is always kept. The demand for fresh bread is relentless, and Evergreen's production schedule runs 24/7, with minimal downtime. Holidays and special events often mean even higher demand, requiring the logistics team to scale up operations dramatically. This constant pressure necessitates extreme efficiency and flexibility. Contingency plans are always in place, ensuring that even if a machine malfunctions or a major road closes, the supply chain remains resilient. It's a continuous cycle of planning, execution, and adaptation. For Ilara Vance, the master baker, seeing Evergreen bread on supermarket shelves brings a profound sense of satisfaction. It's more than just a job, she reflects, her voice imbued with years of dedication. It's about knowing that something you've helped create is nourishing families across the country. It's about being part of a team that works so hard to bring that comfort and goodness to people every single day. That pride, that connection to the end product, is what keeps us all going. Behind the gleaming machinery and complex systems are the thousands of dedicated individuals who make Evergreen Bakeries run. From engineers and quality control specialists to maintenance crews, forklift operators, and administrative staff, each role is crucial. Many workers, like Ilara, have spent decades honing their craft, their knowledge and experience forming an invaluable asset to the company. It's a testament to the fact that even in highly automated environments, human expertise and commitment remain indispensable. Evergreen invests heavily in training its workforce, recognizing that skill and safety are paramount. New employees undergo extensive programs, learning to operate complex machinery, adhere to stringent hygiene protocols, and understand the intricate science of baking. Continuous professional development ensures that the team remains at the forefront of industrial baking. This commitment to their people fosters a culture of excellence and responsibility, essential for maintaining such a high-volume, high-quality operation. In the realm of food production, stagnation is not an option. Evergreen's commitment to innovation is evident in its state-of-the-art research and development lab. Dr. Sharma's team constantly explores new ingredients, healthier formulations, and improved baking techniques. They're working on everything from extending shelf life naturally to developing gluten-free options and experimenting with ancient grains. This forward-thinking approach ensures that Evergrain remains competitive and continues to meet the evolving tastes and dietary needs of consumers. Operating on such a massive scale comes with significant environmental responsibility. Evergrain Bakeries is committed to reducing its ecological footprint through various sustainability initiatives. They invest in energy-efficient machinery, optimize water usage, and explore renewable energy sources to power their facilities. Their goal is not just to produce bread efficiently, but to do so in a way that safeguards the planet for future generations. It's a complex challenge, but one they tackle with continuous improvement. Minimizing waste is a crucial component of Evergrain's sustainability strategy. Every effort is made to reduce food waste at every stage of production, from precise ingredient measurement to repurposing unused dough. Any unavoidable waste is often diverted to animal feed programs or composted, ensuring that valuable resources are not simply discarded. This commitment to reducing waste not only benefits the environment but also enhances operational efficiency and helps control costs in such a massive operation. To truly grasp the scale of Evergrain, consider a direct comparison. While Harmony Creek, with its population of 3,000, consumes approximately 300 loaves of bread per day, Evergrain produces that same quantity in less than 30 minutes. The difference highlights a fundamental shift in food production over the last century. Small-scale craft and large-scale industrial bakeries both serve vital roles, but their operational methodologies are worlds apart, each optimized for their unique purpose and market. Arthur Finch, CEO of Evergrain Bakeries, embodies the forward-thinking vision driving the company. Our goal has always been simple, he states, to provide fresh, affordable bread to every American household. It's a challenge of scale, of efficiency, but also of responsibility. We're constantly looking at how we can leverage technology while honoring the simple tradition of baking, ensuring quality and value remain paramount. It's a legacy we build upon every day. Beyond simply selling bread, Evergrain Bakeries actively engages with the communities it serves. Through partnerships with food banks and local charities, they ensure that surplus bread, while minimal, goes to those in need. This commitment to social responsibility is deeply ingrained in their corporate culture. It's a recognition that feeding a nation involves more than just commercial transactions, it's about contributing to the well-being and security of the broader society, one fresh loaf at a time. For most consumers, the bread just appears on the supermarket shelf, a fresh, inviting staple. They rarely consider the complex, 24-hour journey it has taken to get there. From the distant wheat fields, through the colossal mixers, the scorching ovens, and the miles of conveyor belts, to the precise packaging and the long drive on an Evergrain truck, it's a modern-day marvel of engineering, logistics, and human dedication. Every step is unseen, yet essential. Every day at Evergrain Bakeries is a testament to what is possible when human ambition meets technological prowess. The ability to churn out 1.5 million loaves, fresh and consistent, day in and day out, is nothing short of a daily miracle. It ensures that the comforting presence of bread is never a concern for millions, allowing them to focus on their lives, their families, and their communities. It's an achievement that underpins countless meals across the country, silently contributing to daily life. What does the future hold for Evergrain Bakeries? Automation will continue to advance, further optimizing efficiency and consistency. But the core commitment to quality ingredients and the human touch, represented by bakers like Ilara, will remain. Expect more innovation in healthier options, sustainable practices, and perhaps even personalized bread delivered to your door. Evergrain isn't just baking for today, it's constantly evolving to meet the needs and desires of the future, ensuring bread remains a staple for generations to come. While Evergrain is primarily known for its bread, the facility often produces a diverse range of baked goods, leveraging the same infrastructure and expertise. From burger buns for fast food chains to specialty rolls for gourmet restaurants, and even sweet treats, their versatility is immense. This diversification allows Evergrain to adapt to market trends and solidify its position as a central player in America's food supply chain, constantly exploring new ways to utilize its massive production capabilities. Ultimately, the story of Evergrain Bakeries is about a simple pleasure made accessible on an extraordinary scale. The comforting crunch of toast in the morning, the perfect sandwich at lunch, the warm roll with dinner, these are small moments made possible by an immense, unseen effort. It bridges the gap from the vast fields of grain to the most intimate family meals, quietly, dependably, every single day. The dedication hidden behind every wrapper is immense. The journey from a single grain of wheat to 1.5 million loaves of bread is a testament to human innovation, perseverance, and a deep understanding of what truly nourishes us. Evergrain Bakeries stands as a symbol of modern food production, marrying industrial might with the timeless appeal of a basic staple. Their story is a reminder that even in an age of complexity, the simple, honest promise of fresh bread remains an enduring cornerstone of our lives. A remarkable achievement, baked fresh every day.